So, hello everyone, this is my video about replacing the heating unit of a Toyota Starlet, a P8. So that's the one which is faulty. I already replaced the new one. With an old one, an old new one. So that's the heating unit. So literally you really have to take off the whole dashboard. So all the wiring harness is attached to the dashboard. So you have to disconnect all the connectors in order to remove the dashboard. So that's inside the car, how it looks in the car. As I said before, you have to remove the whole dashboard to get into the place of the heating unit. There is no other way. It took me about, all in all, I think 6 hours to take it off. I did it the first time, so hopefully I will remember all the pieces and be able to get everything together again. Alright, thanks. See ya.